my friend, asam tiawa tintin bi na mapasa maka kire wo alakpie alalagban aya tiawo aya tintin
ene ya alakpie
alalagban dia mama na aya alagban no ba gina wo so se o be ntam dia ebe ya tiawo won se awi ase abodie mfiti ase no wa kenka babru no a Osi nyankopon abobratifo baako osi enyese bratifo baako betanse na obeda
efo wona meku
dabi nyankopon asem waka wafa
we dey asem wona meku we dey won ni kan
aggressive wafa aggressive waka asem no
we dey dan boko na katrem
ti osi enyese brantie nkwa betanse Waho enti obedwane afine jane mu ni papa no afa besi afo mo akotena se wo fie na omawo na omase aye bebre enti no sa asem we nyina no ana adama komaso na mahu ope ana mahu se mi fimpade de ayira amfie bebrebe ne mahwehwe no anu na mahia no aniti na mama nya Manya anije bi aji bangi no awo sema asa afọ koja o asemu ni nyina no allow me to love you
efo
yeah
nti me ya ade na wo fra mi beji na hase bi wo kasa no wo tintin a wo bobo me nsanyi na den no open me ani efo mfim pade ayera akọhwehwa wo nkasa e why wo hu sankrama ni bi twem na omo ren kasa ya fa na hwebu sei na hesa ya wonfem pada na wo pese wo kana na wonfem pada ya nhama ha otine me ka cho
dabi ayawu media ne yayi
medi kan ka cha wo se me kuro mu ha se me ba ha ansa na wo ye dey
wa maba
respect yourself
anu dia yan fa nka
diwulemu me se ye dey diwulemu wo sa na me nam hodin din me se ya na me tie
ogojiri awo maga wo ma wa ho ewiase de
action
oh you know what I don't want you to be troubling me again.
Oh, but then what have I done?
I at least expected you to ride me like a horse. Are you a cowgirl?
So you did not enjoy it?
It's not a matter of enjoying it, but you overdid everything. Look at me.
You are down. I'm your boy. You have to
don't come closer.
Oranges and stuff.
Don't come closer, I beg your pardon.
Are you tired?
Yes. Very tired.
I can do more. I need more. I say that.
Do you want to kill me?
I won't kill you.
Why?
I'm not. Calm down. How can I kill you? We're not enjoying it.
Don't you know I have some few years to die? You want to kill me before my natural death with this sex escapades.
Why you see someone?
Oh, you can't kill me, eh?
I'm not going to kill you. I don't want to be woe. Into some of the last thing not to tomorrow. You should understand me.
Oh, stop it! I said don't come closer. I'm okay.
But when you're Gianna,
if you're a sex machine, I am not. I can't battery. I can't bear 1.5. Now, person will do me. Says here.
I need more.
Come on, can you baby?
Are you throwing shit? Honorable is throwing shit because of Tonga. Honorable can't do Tonga again.
Sometimes I regret ever coming closer to you.
Honorable, stop saying that. I love you.
I said I am okay.
Honorable, so I should leave.
You may choose to do whatever you want. Oh, stop it, baby! Stop it. Stop it. I hate nonsense.
No, we don't love. We don't love.
Love has nothing to do with sex.
Peniforma boaben kwa se edokọ baby de odo aginasi wo. Wo ho. Ana peniforma sa boaben kwa se ansuo bi atene akobo ansuo bi no mu pe na ankyere mano ajo.
For mempel.
Enti se
Efo wonnim he busana mon kan kire wo efo.
Mado abedi wo.
Ma ba fom na me ni wo di agra efo ma me ni wo ni agra.
Mado adi wo.
Ana me so me se mempel.
Efo ade. Ya be ya ni den sisi a. Wan pɛ me a kromu ha. Bratifo ba biom. Aside me, if you don't love me, dey maka love vigil. Why na over love no?
Mempɛ obi a efo.
O sese wa pa obi wa ba kromu ha de. Wa ye besiafo wo ho ayefe. Ala be na ma de na no jim no, ano gbam no.
Wa ma na tum wo krom ha sei.
Ani de.
Me tu kwan na masaba o. Enti di enti na wo ka cha me say me pɛ obi. Me pɛ obi anka me pɛ mo wo krom ha sei. Efo wa ba no, di wo le mo wa te. Krom ha obi anju o. Obi enu a woju wo krom ha sei. Di wo le mu. Na me nso me ndi me le mu efi na kokore kasa me hu bi mo te na me.
Da bi Andrew saye, Andrew.
Me se enkasa me hu ko. Ko.
Oh,
me se ko.
Ade na wa yes. Wo de wan fa wani antu bag de maso mu ama.
Efo. Wo ska.
Huh?
Wo ska.
Money no be problem. Two man over sada black law.
So de wo ska na bet me ahwe me.
Ah,
we dey many problem.
Agamanya aganya, obaga, cash, l'argent. What is l'argent? Me na my whisker. Ma who said I intentionally disguise myself. Ma catch raw sikafo de omo wo me phone list so a abaye shock you.
Sikafo no mo na o phone list no.
Eh.
Ba wo de woni bi.
Ma wo sika?
Wo sika.
Na ma wo list fo no mo sikafo.
Wo de ko. Why?
Sir. Nti what you say?
Me se ko me gine ho adai. Wo tu wo sika me se ko cha me fro.
E wa fa sika ni akasa.
What?
No, if you don't touch me, I'll leave.
And you may choose to do whatever you want to do. What are you trying to do?
You don't want to touch me. Me too. I need something. I don't want to touch me.
You lie down. Let me rest for some few minutes, eh?
How many minutes?
You lie down. You say lie down.
Oh no, stop that.
Oh.
Honorable.
God of Nebuchadnezzar, come and help me. Oh, baby. Oh.
Let me see. Mommy, dear mom.
Yeah, what you say? I do it for the hood. They call it come, cause you know they yeah, what you say? I do it for the hood. Call me virus. I do it for Wokro.
Also, come from here. Whoa. You know what? Sometimes I look at you and I marvel at whatever my eyes are holding. And I bless the day that I met you.
Thank you. Waitress. Hello.
Yeah, so as I was saying, in fact, I marvel at whatever I see about you. And I'm so fortunate to have gotten you.
Honorable.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for being there for me.
Yeah. I pray and hope that
Hi, baby. What is going on here?
nothing.
What is going on
We're
here?
just sitting here.
Then what do you mean? What is actually going on? I'm here with my boyfriend. As you can see. You don't. I mean it.
You are here with your boyfriend.
Yes, you can join us.
Baby, who is she to? Just talk, because I know you're a man enough to voice it out. Who the hell is she to you?
You know what? You just have a seat.
I don't have the time for it. Can you just talk?
You
Do
will
you
see.
guys know each other?
Oh.
Excuse me, please.
Have a seat.
I am not here to sit, just to question you. Who is she to you?
Honorable. Who is she?
Who are you to me?
Are you serious? I'm your uncle's brother. Do you know that she is my friend? My bestie.
Lolita, what's going on? You're actually sitting here with my own boyfriend. Honorable, I thought you said I'm the only girl in your life. Ooh. Is she serious here? Wow. I am so disappointed. Oh man, you know what? Just cut it. Cut it! I am so disappointed in you. I'm out.
It's okay. Sit down. Sit down and let me talk to you.
Are you coming to teach me?
Sit
Are you
down.
coming to teach me 1, 2, 3 or?
I said sit down. Do you know that mess you caused in my life?
The mess.
Sit down.
I'm not sitting down.
So you know her.
Honorable, thank you very much.
Yeah, what you say, I do it for the wood. Yeah, you call it cause you know they yeah, what you say, I do it for the wood. Call me virus. I do it for poor chrome. Or for chrome, and I'm see and cock from. Okay, let's do it for say chrome. The fractal.
Hey, big man. This is what you know. My person, boss, and rock should estimate now, sir. Obi nim fufu na wo hwe etafen san.
Hwan nim na fufu na me hwe ne sa.
O busa kwadwo. Papa pen ma wo tikru man ka wo na ese nka wo so wo fasensa. Wo wa bi ma wo fasman ko babla no. Wo a wanya bi ama no. O ono so nyame abo atotoma tukwan a o ma o de na mundro so e na wo di ni sika o di sika ya ma asem nya sa.
Me dem hwan na nam nuro so.
O busa kwadwo.
O pa ese me mo fa ase asem na wo kan.
Wo asem na wo kan. Wo de ni na maduro so no.
Me dem wura na maduro so nya me dai.
O nua ba meto, mama na ja meto.
Me nua ba beto mo hen fa.
Na mo boda wuro no ze go feed ni me wura na maduro so ken.
Na tese me na mama na ji o se me wo kro ma se.
O se wo.
Mama na ji se me wo kro ma se.
Ade awie ne no ano wo kan.
E dey na me ye.
Oh no, blah.
There be e dey na me ye. Ade na e wi ase di party me plan eketi bibi se o peso o de se obi sa.
Ya o de ma.
Meti wono, sa meti wo wi ase ekro ma se.
O de fa se mama na ji na e twa ntwato so. Gina yi. Mi busa onsemfu amiensa na edi kan. Wo tu adwuma wo ti kuruma adwuma ba na we.
Wo se me de ade unia me mankrofo nwuma mo munye.
Adwuma ba ya.
O mo musisi da bebe maybe mo munye se adwuma no. Me agent ade onim se me agent ya na. Ha? Ade onim sa.
Tu e da na mo ra ka se si na da na hifa da na sisi.
Ade o mba ya nkwacho me be da no wa na. Me si bo mba ya nkwacho me be da no wa na.
Ami atana na go twa. E de sende.
Ba me ho aka. Wo se ko be twa.
Wo ba demo. Ubademo
uswa wadwuro fo me pese me no be gina kura din komo ye kasa asem na kire me me no ni
okay ode anya e bia se unya uma ga ni scam ani ma mbidi ye eno de
me ma ho scam ani ma mbidi
scam ti ma hana nya no ma mbidi ye se wo
o na sa hana de me na me hwe no nti me mbidi ye
o hwe no so hwe me se scam wa mbre ntu de be din sam from din me so ye se be dia ma papa pani mu tu
Yeah, hello. I don't know, just talk a little ago, because I didn't know for me. Ma come on phone, so just talk. Tell me to offer me this morning. Only baby I make her with me, I stop him this morning just to talk to me like that. Alright, I'll forgive you, but on a condition. Alright, Kasamite. How much are we talking about here? Alright, I'm actually considering you because you're a big man. You know, when it's out there, honestly, we're in here.
Now, what bobla? Hey, what bobla? Oh, ti o bobla.
Me
o fa jebi. Una koma say ka say mo fa jebi am na mu ade. Me na be
na say me fa bobla.
Fine. Oh, we no be ria.
Papa mo bla na obu ofa. So what you say?
na wo papa bobla
enti na me bu no fa me fa
bobla
papa mo fa bobla
e fa ho compare me kona me adwuma na adwuma me ye wo ha ani sika me nya bi wo ha ne bi na
asem na wo ja mpani boni
wo yes ade me bo so nda ko woni mi o
men try bi da na
eye obeso ni me nya bi so obeso ni me nya bi
na obi fi beef
ha
obi fi beef
wo ko pro bi na so ampa na se me medura me ko keka na se na wo hia me na e kase na sei
ya beti na me ko
Call it but she know they hear what she say. I do it for them. Call me virus. I do it for Pro Chrome. Or for Chrome, and I'm seeing cock crow. Okay, let's do it for what say Chrome. Me frat tone suit, me make a CSL bones.